Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 versus Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to place order imports from China like a pro using 1688 and Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. Then have you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for products from different supplier. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to search for products from different supplier on 1688. So one of the first ways is to come to the top right here, type the name of the product right here and hit on search. Then you're going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can click on this camera icon right here, which allows you to upload the product picture sample. Then you're going to see a similar result. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I want to go straight to the point because I have already had all my products to cart. So if you don't know how to add product to cart, you can check the video out on my channel and see how to add a product to cart. After you have successfully added a product to cart, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to your cart. Then I have all the products right here. Next thing you need to do is to select the product one after the other. So I'm buying this, I'm buying this, I'm buying this. So once you select everything, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then from the checkout right here, you can scroll down and check on the product detail and find out if there is any mistake that you need to correct. However, if there is not anything to correct any longer, proceed to checkout and payment. So I'm paying the sum of 68 yen to purchase all the product. Here, from the checkout, there are so many means of payment right here, from Alipay to USD card, whether Visa or MasterCard. But in this tutorial, I'm paying with my Alipay, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure the Alipay that is checked is in default. And I'm going to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Then enter my payment password. So you can see a debit alert from Alipay. Now payment has been done successful, just like what you see right here. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close this pop-up window. Then I have to make sure I click on here to go to my profile. Then by the time I refresh my profile, the product I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check them out. So we have them all right here. So let's go ahead and see how we can place order on our Pinduoduo app. I'm going to exit from here and I'll go ahead and open my Pinduoduo app right here. Have you opened up your Pinduoduo app? The same way you used to search for product, add the product to cart is the same way you do it right here in Pinduoduo. After you have add the product to cart, click on here to proceed to your cart, to your profile. Then from your profile, click on here to proceed to your cart. So we have all the products right here. Next thing we want to do is to select them one after the other. I'm buying this and I'm buying this. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. The one thing about Pinduoduo here is that from the checkout, there are more means of payment right here. However, in this tutorial, I'm paying with my Alipay. So what I need to do is to simply click on here to expand and I'll proceed with my Alipay right here. So I'm going to click on Alipay. Having selected my Alipay, I'm paying the sum of 16.17 yen to purchase these two products. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Allow the Alipay to connect. Then click on confirm payment right here. Confirm payment. Enter your payment password. Payment done successful. Go ahead and click on done. Go ahead and close this pump up right here. Then go back. Then by the time you get to your profile, you'll find the product you just paid for right here. So let's check them out. This is the first one. This is the second one right here. It's that simple. So this is how to place order or how to order product from China using Pinduoduo and 1688. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship import products from China using 1688, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.